The 2025 Chevrolet Chevy Nova SS brings back a legendary name with modern performance, advanced technology, and an eye-catching design. Chevrolet has crafted the new Nova SS to appeal to muscle car enthusiasts and fans of classic American performance, giving it a bold, aggressive stance combined with contemporary styling. The exterior showcases a retro-inspired look with sharp lines, a wide front grille, and distinct LED headlights that give it a powerful presence on the road. The signature SS badging and available racing stripes add to the muscle car feel, while the sleek bodywork and rear spoiler enhance aerodynamics. Powering the 2025 Nova SS is a high-performance engine that lives up to the SS legacy. Under the hood, Chevrolet has equipped it with a 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering an impressive 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque, which provides thrilling acceleration and powerful response. Drivers can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission for a more hands-on experience or a 10-speed automatic for smooth shifting and optimized performance. The suspension has been finely tuned for better handling, and Chevrolet has included performance brakes and an enhanced exhaust system, creating an engaging drive that honors the classic muscle car spirit. Inside, the Nova SS offers a blend of retro style and modern comfort. The cabin features sport-inspired seating with premium materials, providing support during spirited driving while ensuring comfort for everyday use. The driver-centric dashboard includes a digital instrument cluster and a high-resolution infotainment touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's latest MyLink system, allowing for seamless connectivity and control over media, navigation, and vehicle settings. Chevrolet has also added premium options like a performance audio system and customizable ambient lighting to elevate the interior experience. In terms of safety, the 2025 Chevy Nova SS doesn't compromise. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features, including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, which provide added security without taking away from the thrill of driving. Rear parking sensors and a rear-view camera are standard, making parking and maneuvering easier despite the car's muscular dimensions. The 2025 Chevrolet Chevy Nova SS is a modern take on a classic, offering a powerful engine, sleek design, and a well-appointed interior. It captures the essence of a muscle car while providing the convenience and safety features expected in today's market. Whether you're a fan of American muscle heritage or simply looking for a car with serious performance, the Nova SS is designed to impress. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest performance cars and automotive trends.